todo queda sabroso.
So as we're approaching the end of summer, I wanted to do something cool and fun, so we came up with some tropical popsicles. Basically, we're taking tropical fruits and turning them into a frozen popsicle, which gives it a burst of flavor. First up is the tropical fruit pineapple that we paired with a famous Cuban drink, the pineapple mojito popsicle. We're cutting a fresh pineapple into large chunks. We're adding the juice of 2 limes. Classic Mojito incorporates fresh mint leaves. We'll be adding some pineapple nectar. You can also use pineapple juice. And we'll sweeten it up with some blue agave. Place all ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth. So I got these popsicle sleeves, which are a throwback to my childhood days. I remember hot summer days, cooling off with a nice freeze pop, pushing it up, sucking the juice. It was a great experience. You can find these plastic sleeves on my TikTok shop, and they are easy to use, and it's a great activity to involve all the family. It comes with a small funnel, but my gorilla hands rip right through it. No worries though, I have a container that has the perfect spout for pouring directly into the sleeve. Press to seal, and there you have it, the pineapple mojito popsicle. Next, we're taking coconut and we're pairing it with a famous Mexican drink, horchata. This is the coconut horchata popsicle. In a large bowl, add half a cup long grain rice, as well as 2 cinnamon sticks, preferably Mexican. Add 2 cups of hot water. Cover with plastic wrap and allow to sit overnight. Place the rice water and cinnamon sticks in a blender. Add 5 ounces of evaporated milk, 5 ounces sweetened condensed milk, 1 can of coconut cream or coconut milk, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Blend on high speed until smooth. There you have it, coconut horchata popsicle. So we took strawberry, guava, and kiwi and made it into a popsicle. Wash 1 quart of strawberries. Remove the stem. Then slice in half. Peel 2 kiwis and remove the fibrous core. These kiwis will balance the sweetness with a little bit of sourness. The guava I'm using is in the form of frozen pulp, which can be found in many Latin markets. You can also use guava nectar, which is more readily available. For the sweetener, I combine piloncillo, which is cane sugar, and guava paste, and then I add equal parts of water to make this beautiful syrup. Combine all ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth. There you have it, strawberry, guava, and kiwi popsicle. Last but not least, we have mangoes paired with another popular Mexican drink, the Mangonada. Here I have 2 ripe mangoes. Never cut against the widest part of the fruit, but cut down the narrow side to expose most of the flesh. I scoop the flesh out with a spoon. Then cut into chunks. We're also adding the juice of 2 limes. I'm adding mango nectar, but you can also use mango juice. The chamoy, a spicy fruity sauce that will complement the mango. We'll sweeten again with blue agave. Place all ingredients except the chamoy in a blender. Blend until smooth. Now we're going to take that chamoy and add it to the sides of the plastic sleeve. Now fill it with the mango mixture. There you have it, the Mangonada popsicle. Chef tested, kid approved.